sleepy detection TV. It's a microcontroller, relay and TV is connected over here. Now here while watching the TV he will wear the specs. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. Now open, close, close, open, close, open, close. Okay, when he open, this LED will be in the on state. If he close, this LED will be in the off state. Open, close. Now he is in sleepy state. Close, open, close, open, close, close. Okay, so now he is in sleepy state, so TV will get turn off automatically. In this way this project will work. Open, now TV got turn on. See, open, close, open, close, close. It will get turn off automatically.